Welcome in this catch and cook on a sailboat! Woo! Join the next adventure.
Not even 5 minutes. No, è un tonno.
Recupera. Piano, piano. Piano.
We just got our first fish of the day, and right after we got a call from friends of my uncle that they were stranded because their motors didn't work anymore, so they got their sails on, and we are going to get them. But yeah, we got the first fish, which was a bonito. I'll show you right now. Yeah. We were literally 5 minutes into trolling and we got him. A beautiful fish right here. Let's save my uncle's friends and then let's go back to fishing. Woo! We can start to see them right there. They're pretty far, like 30 minutes away from us, but we see them. Oh god. Well, they got their sails on, so they wouldn't have been stranded anyway, but their motors are down, so we are going to help them. Beautiful day. It's not really still because there is a bit of wind, but it's fine. We got our sails on. We're gonna do a bit of trolling, hope to catch a tuna or something like that, because the bonito fish we've got is in the same family as tuna, but it's still not yet considered as tuna. Still tasting really good, but yeah, let's hope to catch another one. Woo! We got my uncle's friends and the wind started to pick up, so they were fine, but yeah, we are going back together, so they're not alone at the sea. Oh! È mezzaluna, il pesce mezzaluna! There was a moonfish. I don't know how they are called actually. In Italian they're called moon. But yeah, we're gonna go back and cook our lunch Italian style, baby! Woo!
Came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears. Learned our lessons through the tears. Made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say.
E secondo me ci siamo quasi, Un po' di minutini e poi è pronto anche il caffè.
there are no leftovers of the fish. We ate it, and I couldn't feel myself during the whole dinner because there were my uncle's friends too. But it was amazing. Everyone agreed. It tasted delicious. It was amazing bonito fish, crazy hook in the first 5 minutes. It's been a crazy adventure. Definitely unexpected. It turned out pretty good. Yeah, unexpected for sure. It's a pretty short video, but I liked it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Ooh.